Monday Cop Cougar parents, it's me, Miss Cameron, the campus reading specialist, and I'm here to give you weekly tips on reading activities or strategies that you can utilize at home to help your little ones. Today I'm going to focus on the young readers, the beginning readers, or sometimes the struggling readers. One of the basic components that we utilize in order to begin readers on their journeys is the exposure to sight words. Come on, parents, you know what I'm talking about. Sight words. Those are words like can, he, it, you. We greatly depend on these words because when kids are starting to read, our sight word exposure helps us out tremendously because our text is just filled with sight words. And one of my go-to resources that I utilize when I'm introducing the concepts of sight words, or even when I want to give them more exposure, I utilize Dr. Seuss books. Dr. Seuss is just a master at using sight words in order to entertain readers. One of my favorite is Mr. Brown Can Move, Can You? When you turn just to the first page, I'll read it to you. All the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? Just the first page gives us like 8 different exposures to sight words. I highly recommend Dr. Seuss books when it comes to sight word exposure. So that's my tip of the week. Dr. Seuss books when you want to give your kiddos more exposure and more practice to sight words. So until then, keep reading. Bye.